Hi and welcome back. Daniela here with a new layout created with the July main kit and the Pocket Life kit, the Embellishment Kit, the crayons from the color kit and the Cardstock Kit, and I also used the scalloped fringe border metal dies. Well, and that's what I started with. I cut 4 different borders from the gorgeous pattern papers that we have in the main kit, and I wanted to use 4 different colors here on my page, which are blue, yellow, orange and pink. Yeah, these are the colors that I like a lot, and you see that I am working with a picture showing my daughter preparing a nice ice cream, and somehow the scallop borders here remind me of ice cream scoops, so I wanted to use these here on my page, and this is going to be the background for my picture. All right, I also cut this pretty piece from the Pocket Life kit. There is one card with summer on it, and this is the title for my page. And then I also worked with the crayons. I love those. They are so versatile. You can use them in so many different ways, and here in this case I just use them like watercolor, so I just mix the crayon with water and then add it to my cardstock here using a brush, and this way you can just have different colors where you need them, and I wanted to use different colors, yellow, blue, pink and orange, just the same colors that we have in the papers. And yeah, you see that I just mix them, place or apply some yellow here and there, some blue and some pink, and this way we have a nice background which isn't too heavy because the colors are just kind of soft and light. And I really love those crayons. I think that you should really take your time playing with those and try different ways to use them. Okay, so let me dry this up and then we continue creating the page with all the details. All right, so you see this is the main element of my page, and after adhering this to the cardstock I can start playing with all the things that we got in the kit. And I have to admit that I am so into the embellishments that come in the July kits. You see everything is here at my desk, and first of all I wanted to use some of the tags that we find in the embellishment kit, and again I am going for the same colors, pink and orange, and just place them here. And I also want to place more tags on the other side, so here is this orange one, and I also add a little bit of sewing yarn. That is something that you can do easily with every tag, and you add more texture if you have the yarn on your page, because it is it kind of adds dimension and different texture. Okay, this tag is taken from the main kit, from the die cut set, and I love this one. It's so beautiful. The pink and the stripes are just my choice. I would rather have more of these if I could choose from, but I placed this one here on the orange tag now. So this is a nice element to add, because the summer stripe also has a lot of pink in it. So I added this pink tag here, and I just place a little tag from the pack here on top of it, and I want to have more dimensions, so I am using 3D pads to adhere my ice cream here, which is taken from the die cut set as well. Well, and then we have these pretty acetate shapes. I love those. The leaves and flowers are just perfect. We have tropical leaves, we have tropical flowers, we have branches, and the colors are just so pretty. So those are from the embellishment kit as well, and I placed them here behind my tags, and this way I have a nice tropical touch here on my page, which fits the summer themed layout just perfectly. Okay, so you can just use glue pads if you place those pieces behind some paper. That's what I'm doing here, and this way you don't see where it is fixed in the end. And yeah, I really love these embellishments, and I'm sure that I am going to use tons of them on all my creations, because those are some of my favorites that I have ever seen. Okay, all in all, we get a whole bunch of summer themed things here, and I love the mixture of different embellishments. Again, here we have some wood veneers, and I love mixing different materials, so I added some of those circles here, and I think that they are a nice addition. And again, I talked about ice cream scoops before, and these circles also add to this style, and yeah, I think that it is a nice addition to the tropical leaves. And now I also want to have some more color, because I added so many embellishments. So just add some crayon, mixed up crayon color here and there. I add some yellow and some pink, because I had a lot of blue peeking behind the cluster, and this way I have more details, because the watercolor background makes it more interesting and is exactly created in the same colors that we have in the embellishments and in the paper. Well, I just added a bit of journaling, and now I want to place my layout on this beautiful cardstock from the from the cardstock kit, sorry. And I also add 2 puffy stickers. Those puffies are also nice details which you can add to your projects for a finishing touch. And then my page is done. This is what it looks like in the end, and I really like this cheerful mood that it conveys, and I hope that you have fun using your kits as well. Thank you so much for watching again, and if you want to order the scallop border metal die, be quick. There is only a low stock alert right now. So thanks again, and take care. Bye bye.